Look what I'm doing. One of the big ropes. Look at this dog. That was the last kayak they had. This is so cool. It's a river. Oh my God, the water is so cold. I mean, I guess that's why they call it the Frio River. It's all spring fed, like so many of these rivers are. I'm paddling with my hand now because I got the camera. This is pretty crowded. Look how crowded. I'm gonna go up river a little bit more and get some more video. Look how clear. Wow. All these rivers around here are clear like this. Isn't that beautiful? Cool. God, this water's so cold. Ah. That's where I was earlier today, way up at the top of that. There's a lot of neat rope swings. There's one back there that's gigantic, like a ship rope or something. I go up here. I think I came up here as far as I could. I got kind of stuck on those rocks down there, and one of those boys helped me. He pushed me. I'm gonna go back down. Look at this dog. What are you doing? Oh, now he's gonna back up. What's he gonna do? Oh, he did it. Very good. Wow, look at this little area. Like a little offshoot. And it ends up there. It's the private property on the up there. This is pretty, well, about 5 or 6 feet deep, maybe. And there's an RV park on the other side, on the other bank. And that's where the people are swinging from, on parts of it. Some people down there fishing. There was a guy fly fishing. The girl's kind of scared. Those were gigantic ropes. Yep, I'm picking up trash, even when I'm on the kayak. I got rid of the sound on this part of the video because I wanted to show you this little cool rock ledge, and the people were cheering the people who were jumping, so I got rid of the audio. But isn't that neat? It was just all these little fish were hanging under the edge of that. I just thought, I love little areas like that. It's quiet down here. Look how beautiful. That's the Old Baldy Trail up there. I'm gonna walk over to some of these shallow areas. A little spillway right there. That is a big tree. That is about, oh my God, that's about 9 feet across. Holy, wow. That's a big one. There's some big ones down here. This is way down. Beautiful. Looks a lot like the Guadalupe. This is nice. And this, surprisingly, this is not slippery. It doesn't have a lot of algae yet. Huh. Well, the poodles would love this. Shallow enough where they're not too scared, and really cool. Pretty. Oh, that guy's got a snorkel on. Huh. This is exactly what my feet need after hiking that hike. Oh, feet hurt. What is this guy doing? He's damming up this whole area. What? She's got a little book. I knew I heard something that wasn't just a little trickle. Look at this. It's a little deeper, but it's so nice. Wow. Oh, the poodles would love this. Randy. Randy's a adventure to the waterfall in Texas for you. The water's about 60 degrees. This is what I need for my feet. Oh, it feels so good. Thanks for watching, everybody. I might do one more video on Garner, a short video, and then I also have videos coming up on the Texas Tiny Trailer Rally that was held the last weekend in April.